highlight a story of success and unity that we can all be proud of. Welcome back, Hun students. Welcome to the year filled with promise, potential, and new beginnings.
At Hun, I've learned that success is more than just grades. It's our growth as individuals, the mistakes we learn from, and the journey we undertake.
Reach out, show up, and care for one another. This community is yours. It's all of ours. Our community is strong because it's all of us together, making the choice over and over again to make a commitment to each other and to this school.
Mr. Bronk, we invite you to dream of what Hun can be in the future, and we thank you for joining our community.
We should all choose to be the kind of friends who cheer loudest for those who have endured the most. So students, as you prepare to launch the journey of this school year, try valiantly, laugh loudly, dare greatly, be empathic to the journeys of others and how they might be different than your own. Lift each other up in your best times and especially lift each other up in your worst. Let's have a wonderful year and let's go Raiders!